No, 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 no.
North of Canandaigua, riding eastbound 520 is an area you need to stay alert and take cover if you're in this region. So the storm means business, even if it's not an official tornado. It's important that you know the potential is there for this guy to become tornado.
Did you just see that?
I think I did. Did it just crap and the
mom took it?
Yeah, I did see that.
And thank you for watching. Make sure you subscribe.